So here we have a very interesting piece of Richard Feynman's history, from very early on in his academic career. This predates his Nobel Prize, it predates his popular published works, and it even predates his very famous lectures on physics by almost a decade. So this is a set of mimeographed lecture notes made by graduate students who attended his 1951 lectures at Caltech. And the title of this work, this lecture series, is High Energy Phenomena and Meson Theories. As a contribution to discoveries in particle physics, it's very important, but of particular note here are the diagrams, now of course known as Feynman diagrams. And he'd introduced this method prior to this lecture series, but at this point it had not gained traction yet, so these remain very early examples. Lecture notes like this were printed in very small numbers, distributed mostly to students and colleagues, and they were often discarded, so it's no surprise that this is only the third copy that we've handled of this lecture series notes.